Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a little bit of a different type of video for you. Today we're not going fishing. We're doing a little routine maintenance, if you will. We're going to change the lower unit oil on this 2014 Mercury Pro XS 250. And listen guys, I can't stress enough. Very simple project. Minimal tools. You do not need to go to the dealership to have them do this for you. You can buy this kit right here on Amazon. Prop nut wrench, new seals, a large flat-headed screwdriver. Alright, so if you look right here, that nut right there is what we're going to loosen first, where the oil is going to come out of the bottom. So you see we got the nut out and the seal, but that oil is not going to come leaking out of the bottom. You got to undo this right here on the side as well. You can see where we're located here. So yeah, now we got this one out. Alright, while our oil is draining, I want to show you guys how simple this is. Get all the film off of there. It's just a simple plastic pump. This goes in here, screws right on. And now this is going to screw onto the bottom hole that we unscrewed. A lot of you are probably asking, why didn't it go in the top? You push it up through the bottom and out the top just to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. So there's that. We're still waiting on our oil to drain. It's best probably just to walk away for a couple minutes. Alright, so you see there, take these gloves off, I'm a little greasy. We pumped it until it comes out of there. Get all this out of the way. Have your screw ready. Gotta do this part kind of quick. Some more cleanup. You just make sure everything's lined up like it's supposed to be. Put it right back on like you took it off. If you think you're gonna have trouble remembering what it was like, I'd take a picture of it as you're taking it off. Alright guys, so that's it. We're all cleaned up. I appreciate you guys watching. Do me a favor and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I can't promise I'll be giving you any more maintenance videos, but hey, if you want to see some tournament bass fishing, you're in the right place. Appreciate you guys.